Schweppes Zimbabwe Limited has completed the installation of a state-of-the-art PET bottling line in Harare. The Nitro Hot Fill Blower Filler Combi was supplied and installed by Krones of Germany at a total cost of $14.5 million. It features the latest blower filler technology in keeping with international standards that Schweppes Zimbabwe Limited is renowned for. The new bottling line is an investment that will enable Schweppes Zimbabwe Limited to supply the market with more innovative juice-containing products and drive exports into selected markets in the region. The company has doubled its production capacity with the introduction of this technology, thereby guaranteeing the domestic market full product availability. The bottling line's multi-purpose technology is designed to enable several processes, including blowing, rinsing, blending, filling, capping, labeling, date coding, palletizing, and packaging. The blower filler line is the only one of its kind in Zimbabwe, while South Africa is the only other country in the region to have such equipment. On the continent, Zimbabwe is the latest of 6 countries to boast such technology. However, the Schweppes Zimbabwe Limited equipment is the latest in hot fill technology. The hot fill line, which is a blower filler combi, has a capacity to run 18,000 bottles per hour. The plant upgrade started in 2011 with civil works, floor drainage, and tiling, as well as the construction of a new boiler plant. The equipment from Germany, which was shipped via Durban, South Africa, arrived in Zimbabwe in December 2011 in huge containers for bulk cargo. The containers lined the company's yard as they were carefully unpacked utilizing strong cranes. A total of 16 technicians from Krones, the German suppliers, flew into the country to facilitate the installation. The components of the PET bottling line were unpacked and sequentially put in place following a carefully drafted plan. For 5 months, the installation team, including Schweppes Zimbabwe Limited employees, worked 12 hours a day, 7 days a week to complete the installation according to plan. As the plant gradually took shape, attention was paid to detail, ensuring that each component fell into the right place. Teamwork, one of the core values of the organization, was important for the completion of such a massive task, as some of the key people in the project explain.
The installation project was a very exciting time for us. It gave us the opportunity to learn new things and also apply our engineering knowledge. As a team, we had our own core values of punctuality, respect, and discipline. We're able to complete all the tasks as the required standard and within the required timelines. We had numerous challenges during this period, the biggest being bringing in the equipment through the normal ingress points. Some of the equipment was too big to come through these points, and we had to be innovative and take calculated risks to make sure that all the equipment came in. Over and above this, we were able to bring in all the equipment without any injury to people or property at Schweppes.
Once the installation was complete, test runs were conducted, with engineers scrutinizing each component of the machine to ensure full and correct functionality. Satisfied with the job, it was time to start running commercial products for sale to the public on the new hot fill line. The hot fill process begins in the blending tank, where ingredients are put together. The ingredients then go through a pasteurizer, where it is rapidly heated to 92 degrees Celsius and cooked to 87 degrees Celsius before going into the filler. On the other side, containers are rinsed and sent to the filler, where they are filled with juice and capped. From that stage, the juice-containing bottles are sterilized, cooled, and cased before being sent away for storage. The new bottling line is unique in that it can do both hot and cold fill, allowing Schweppes Zimbabwe Limited to increase the production capacity of its current product range while simultaneously introducing a new range of preservative-free juice-containing products. The company's product portfolio included local production of Mazoe crushers and syrups, Schweppes still water, and ripened ready, while the popular Minute Maid range of juices had to be imported. With the new hot fill technology, the company is now able to produce Minute Maid juice drinks and introduce new beverages into the market, which include Minute Maid Poppy Orange, a product which has been very popular in all international markets where it was introduced by the Coca-Cola Company. Schweppes Zimbabwe Limited will soon launch more hot fill beverages in line with its growth plans. Among other advantages, hot fill beverages have a long shelf life, do not need preservatives, and are shelf stable with no need for refrigeration. Besides increasing production capacity, the new bottling line has also contributed towards Schweppes Zimbabwe Limited's human capability development. Prior to the installation, Schweppes Zimbabwe Limited dispatched a team of technicians to Germany for training to ensure smooth operation and maintenance of the machinery. Up to 15 local companies were also contracted by the company at various stages of the bottling line's installation. There will also be an increase in the number of people employed in production to man the new line, and in sales and distribution to cover the market adequately as the company expands market presence with supplies of new products. Like any other corporate entity, Schweppes Zimbabwe Limited remains focused on sustainable growth. To achieve this, the company will continue to leverage on the strengths of being part of the Coca-Cola Company system, as well as focus on becoming a credible juice company supplying the local and regional markets.
We are very confident that the Minute Maid brand is poised for significant growth in the Zimbabwe market, enabled by local production, and of equal significance, this brand will transform our business in 2012.